You guys, this was the craziest start to my morning. I was like, I'm feeling invincible. I was thinking, I want to do a series where I do something each day that I've been procrastinating. And one of those things, well, one of them has actually been to just like deep clean my bathroom because it needs it. And it's been a while since I've truly done a deep clean. But another thing was I bought this off of TikTok shop. I'm sure it's also on Amazon. And I was like, seems too good to be true. Let me just try it. So I saw a TikTok of a girl use this and it like cleaned out so much nasty gunk in her sink. So I'm like, I'm gonna do it, right? So I set up my camera. I'm like, let me do it. I had to remove the plug in the sink. I had to like unscrew something underneath. First of all, this disaster, it worked. I don't know if you can see all the black shit in there. The problem was, I'll show you the video, because I kind of cleaned most of it up. Ew! Uh-oh. What did I do? If you do it, just warning. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I was a dumbass and didn't think to close back the part that I undid under here, so there was foam everywhere. Yeah. So that was a me problem. I actually think the product worked. I really wish I wasn't an idiot. So anyway, it's supposed to sit for like 15 to 30 minutes, it says, before you rinse it through. I feel like since I'm on my shower, I'm honestly like, I don't even know if I want to show the shower drain because it's disgusting. I feel like I show a lot of things on the internet that I'm like, I should probably care about showing that, and I don't. I feel like this is something I might want to just have blurred out the whole time because it is really gross and I don't know if I want to do that to myself. Ew, you guys. I hate like gross hair. It's dark. I feel so vulnerable right now. Ew. Oh my god, give me another glove. Give me another glove. Ew, oh my god, I just thought about a spider crawling up. I actually don't know now that I just thought about that. Blur this, Callie. Fucking blur it. I will never do this to my viewers. Can I pour this shit down here? This feels like I just opened my damn diary to the world and they're like, ew. I have no idea if I'm allowed to do this, but I put that down the shower drain. Ew, guys. Wow. And then after I got the hair off of the drain for the shower, I threw it in here because I was like, well, I'm sure that'll do something. Ew. Wow. No, I feel like I need to lay down. That was a lot. This is your sign to do things that you've been putting off. And honestly, I actually do think I recommend this. It smells really good, which I like. It doesn't smell horrible. I'm like, is this bad for your drains? You know how they say Drano is really bad for your drains? But also like, what are you gonna do? You know? It safely dissolves organic buildup, hair grease, food debris in your pipes, eliminating odors and allowing you to solve pipe problems. Okay, slide. I'll link her if you want her. Makeup's done. I tried a new lip product, which I had seen so many people promote. It's the Kiko Milano liquid lip. I actually like the product. I just think I got too light and like I felt like by itself it was a little too like warm. And I feel like I would have liked something a little more cooler or even just like slightly darker. If you're curious, this is in the shade 129. I think they're all numbers. I did add a Velvet Teddy lip liner just a little bit and I feel like that kind of helps a smidge, but I still, yeah, I like it. I just wish I got a different color. I haven't worn like a long-lasting liquid lipstick in forever. What's nice though is that this isn't matte. It actually like has a gloss and stuff too, but that's what that looks like if you're wondering. I guarantee none of you were. I can't. Do you see how cute she is? I turn around and she's just always by my side. These clothes, I actually have these set out because I want to kind of do some flipping, some reconstructing, some DIY, some sewing potentially. I'm really excited because I'm going again with guests to Coachella, and they sent over some clothes of things that I picked out from the website. Obviously Coachella is like, we still got like a month, right? We got plenty of time, but at the same time, like, do we? I don't know. I'm like so excited to go with guests again. It was my first time last year. It was amazing. I literally was gagged at everything. Like, it was so insane. I'm so excited. Look at how many they sent me so much. So I have some like jeans, some baggy jeans, all these like really cute tank tops. The shirt's so cute. I really like this tank top, but I wanna DIY some stuff because obviously in true Alisha Marie fashion, I'm like, how can we make this fun and different? I want to do some like easy little things, maybe add some like rivets. Part of me feels like turning this into like a strapless like tube top or something would be really cool. I don't know. I need to look on Pinterest and like get ideas. I definitely want to crop this jersey. I might do it off the shoulder, maybe off the shoulder and cropped. I'm not sure. I figured I'd get an early start on that. I kind of want to like distress this a ton so it looks super worn in and vintage. Like right now it looks like extra cling. Wow. Let me see that again. I want it to look like so distressed. Oh my God. Obviously I can wash it a million times. I feel like I almost need to like rub rocks on it or something, but I think this would be really cool if we get it super worn in. But yeah, they also sent these like bedazzled jeans, which I kind of thought would be cute if we cut them into shorts or something, but then use like, I feel like it's the same exact blue. It's pretty much like the same exact blue. So part of me is like, do we make like a bralette or like a bra out of this? I feel like that could be really cool. We just maybe take the logo off and put, I don't know. So I want to look on Pinterest and like get some ideas. I just feel like this is so fun. If you remember the Taco Bell dress. The Taco Bell dress in question, I think it shrunk. As much as I wish I made this one, I didn't. I had a friend help me and she is so talented. So I don't know. I might see if she can help me with some of these also. That's what's going on. Even though I don't need to do anything like this, I just feel like it's fun. All right, I screenshot a few things. I really like these like matte, I think they're called the rivets, just like the big metal circles. I also saw this one from Acne Studios, which I love. Something like this could be cool and kind of, I think, easy. Even turning one of the shirts like this. I also really like the idea of a shirt with a slit like this where I can wear a bikini underneath. This I thought was cool. I do have a denim like skirt I could do, but maybe I can take some of the fabric from a shirt and put it on like how they did the Von Dutch. I feel like that would actually be really cool too. So I need to try them all on, see the vibe. Oh, and then also just like a plain, turning a graphic tee into a plain like tube top. I kind of did that last year. I think I could do it better. Okay, if you saw my last vlog, or maybe the vlog before this, I forget. Wait, no, maybe 2 vlogs before this. I put together the stainless steel shelf, and I think my other items came of the stainless steel mugs. Oh, this is sick. And it comes with a little saucer and a spot for a spoon. Wait, I can't wait to have coffee in the morning. This actually came free with it. So I got 4 mugs. Oh wait, this is so cute. It's a coffee French press. Ooh, I hate that sound, I hate that sound. Okay, I'm gonna unbox it all and put it in the shelves and see how we like it. Okay, that's really cute. I mean, this looks pretty dang good. Pretty dang good.
Trying to tell myself that I don't need it.
You don't, just come over here every day for, there's a fly. We can't have that again.
It doesn't fit my house aesthetic anyways. Like cute cottage core, or not cottage core, what am I?
You know, I ask myself that every single day. I don't know. You just like what you like.
I'm not sleek silver.
No.
I wish. That's so pretty.
I really like it. I will say it looks so much better with the cups there than how it just looked before. One thing I've been meaning to do is put little felt stickers at the end of each of these chairs. So Ashley, while you get your work done, I'm gonna get my work done. At least these are light. Oh, lighting. Speaking of lights, this lighting looks like shit. I think these are gonna be big enough. I got the little ones. It's like they're not scratching the floor, but they're definitely not scratching the floor. Like they're not scratching the floor. I can just tell like it's definitely needs a little something. Better. Much better. Welcome back to the vlog. It's the next day. I am so excited today, you guys, because the curtains are officially getting installed right now. The guy just got here, he's downstairs, and I'm so excited because that is the last thing for the kitchen renovation. Obviously, you guys have seen the kitchen, like it's been out for a while, but like the full final of it all is done within the next hour. So I'm getting ready right now. Actually, I just finished getting ready. I need to change, but I want to film a kitchen tour the second that they're done installing. I'm geeking, I'm so excited. Ashley said she can help me film, so I'm like, it's funny, lately I haven't been liking my makeup that I do myself, and then today I actually took my time and suddenly I'm like, oh, that's what was happening. Like, take your time and it looks so much better. Also, guys, I'm trying to decide if I want to get bangs again. I mean, obviously I either need to like trim these so they're more of like a little bang. I like bangs, I just feel like they got very like, I don't know. I already know you guys are gonna say the bangs because I agree. I think I'd look better with bangs, but sometimes there's so much maintenance and you have to keep them up and then they're in your eyelashes and then it's just like, they get stuck to the eyelash glue. And then I feel like last time I had them too, they were starting to get too thin. I think if I do them again, I want it to be more fringy versus, I don't know, I feel like last time they kind of got a little too thick, which I didn't love. So, or maybe I'll just trim it and do a, you know, more curtain bang vibe, whatever. Anyway, my makeup, I feel like it actually looks so much better because I took my time doing it and it's a good reminder for myself. I also did little accent lashes again, and I remember I used to always do accent lashes. These aren't the Kiss ones, these are Alice. I got them off Amazon. They just look like this. They definitely give more of like a little cat eye look. We got my coffee, we are good to go. I'm ready to get shit done today. I'm officially not on my period anymore, and I actually feel like I have so much more energy. No! They forgot the brackets. What the fuck? The curtains won't be done. I like how you guys got that in a real moment. Fuck, dude. Oh, I'm so sad. I think I'm still gonna film. Obviously, I can't waste this glam now. Damn it. It's okay. It's okay. First world problems. So obviously I'm glam already. I'm still gonna film. I'll just show the dining room a different day, I guess, because we're not wasting this glam. Okay. Well, damn. Just kidding. Change of plans. We gotta go with the punches. Great reminder that, you know, you just gotta go with the flow because that's out of our control. Ashley came over. I'm so grateful. She said she can help me film.
Literally 2 days in a row.
You love it here. Where'd you go, Minda?
No, I went to Ulta to get Lemmy sleeps because I haven't been sleeping.
Ashley, the last 2 nights I used them for the first time in months, and I slept so good.
I haven't been sleeping, so I went to go get some because those are the only ones that I feel like actually don't give me wild dreams.
It's because there's ashwagandha, not just melatonin in it. Yeah.
So specifically went out of my way to go get those, and because I needed them tonight. I didn't want to like Amazon it. Like,
yeah.
I was like, I need it now.
Also, you want them like a good batch, you know.
Yeah, I didn't want stale ones. And then next to it was this Mediterranean place, Luna Grill.
Oh, I think I've Postmated it from here.
It's
okay.
Next to Health Nut.
Iconic.
So I was just like, I've never tried that. Let's try it.
Yeah.
It honestly kind of took forever, but here we are.
Is it good?
Yeah,
good.
The shrimp is excellent.
Oh my God, okay. I might still want. I'm gonna change. You eat. I'll be back. All right, we've changed. I ended up just doing a very simple top. This is from, I think, Lioness. It's just one of the like halter ones. I'm hoping I start soon before I get boob sweat because that is a thing. And then Revice denim jeans, Helsa belt. This is a great angle, by the way. My Bombas slippers that I copied because Ashley has them and they're amazing and I love them so much and I've been wearing them 24/7. Earrings, Vivienne Westwood, coffee, Alfred. Coming to a main channel YouTube near you. Okay, bye. You guys, kitchen tour is filmed. I got some B-roll too. I'm just gonna get B-roll of the curtains tomorrow. Those of you who watch this vlog will know that those were separate. I will say this top is so cute, but my boob keeps popping out on the side. Like the amount of times I like leaned over to grab something and then boop, I looked down, I was like, this is Coachella all over again. I'm currently sending footage to one of my editors, which is very exciting. That was like the main thing I had planned today. It took a lot longer than I thought, so I'm actually glad we did it today because I was gonna do it tomorrow before Pretty Basic and I definitely wouldn't have had time. So huge thank you to Ashley for helping me film. I also got up a vlog this morning, so that's exciting. I officially, I don't think I told you guys this. I started Artist Way. It's basically like a book to like help you find your creativity and stuff. One of the things you're supposed to do every single day are morning pages where you write 3 pages every single morning. I've not done it today yet. I told myself realistically, I know I'm not going to do it every single morning, but I challenged myself to do it at least every single day. I still need to do that. It takes a little longer than you'd think. I was also thinking though, I'm like, while I have makeup on, is there something else I should film? I might journal a little bit. Wait, I don't even think I showed you guys this. Okay, so I moved this frame to the dining room. Let me show you. I also moved all of this out of the way to film my tour. You know, some things never change. Okay, first of all, I moved this frame here because I feel like the white frame, well, one, this wall needed something, but two, I felt like the white frame looked the best in here because I feel like ever since the dark walls are in the living room, it just looked kind of off, but it looks good here because I feel like it blends in perfect here. And then obviously over here is a white frame over there. So yes, but this is what I wanted to show you guys. My new addition. She's so good. She's sexy. She's so sexy. You guys, these fake ass bitch right here. Yeah, I bet you'd never know. I mean, if you look close at these ones, they look a little cheap. You like it? What? Those? Yeah, take it, borrow.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, you're leaving? Okay, bye.
Oh, I'm just grabbing a toe.
Okay. I'm obsessed. Okay, so well, you guys know me. See? Boo out. You guys know me, I can't get a new hobby and like not go all in, so now I'm clearly a florist. But I will say, this is the same Ikebana vase with the little flower frog that you like stick everything in, but these ones are fake flowers. I was like just Googling faux plants that look real and this site came up and I really liked the like different colors and arrangements that they had, and I really vibe with the purple in here because I feel like it matches the green perfectly. Like it's just great. And this is nice because they're not gonna die. I will say I really, 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 really love the real flowers. I'm so aware of my shirt now. Like, she's cute. She's cute, she's sassy. This is a baddie. The thing that's nice about the fake flowers obviously is the wire in it. So if you want any of these like cool, funky squiggled designs, obviously that looks really good. And it does need water, but I had to show you because I'm very, very proud of her. And then I did move the purse bowl that was here into the entryway because I feel like that's where I come in and out, obviously. And I figured that would just be best because then I can add, you know, if I'm running out the door, my sunglasses are there or whatever. And it just looks more minimal here, but yes. Another arrangement. Also, hi, I feel like I'm never in the downstairs bathroom. This is what she's looking like right now. But this was another arrangement that I got from the same site that I thought was really cute. And they honestly look pretty damn good. I figured the bathroom is the perfect spot for some fake flowers, you know? It'll always look good. Also, I ended up adding this print in here and I think it's so cute. It's literally like my mom. It's not, but like it gives my mom, Ashley, and me. And then Rosie. Also, I put this here and I meant to grab it. Pretend. You wanna go for a walk? You wanna go for a walk? Yeah. Come on, Ro. You guys, I had to get out of that top. Like, I just had to, and then I ended up just putting on some sweatpants. So, what time is it? It is 5:42. It's a little before 6, which is when I feed Rosie. But I was eating food too, so I was like, I'll let you have dinner a little early. I'm gonna sit, do some journaling, eat my food, and yeah. I probably shouldn't be doing this on my pillow, but it's okay. So the whole point is that you write 3 pages of anything. It doesn't have to be deep. It doesn't have to be, like, it could be anything and everything. It doesn't matter, but it just has to be 3 pages. So I feel like yesterday this took me probably like 40 minutes to do, and my hand was cramping. The whole point is that you're supposed to do it every single day. And I will say, like, it's definitely a lot. It's a lot. But especially for people, like, I'm such an introvert and I process things by myself, and for whatever reason I feel like it's not hard for me to lean on people, but it's just so much easier for me to keep everything in and process it myself, and like I never want to burden anyone with my thoughts. So as much as writing can be a chore, I just know it's so good for me specifically, and I've always loved journaling, so this has been good to like keep me accountable. But here we go. My night was great. I journaled for quite a while. I probably took me the same amount of time, like 30-40 minutes, but it was really good. It is now currently 11. Oh, damn it, 11:12. It was just 11:11. I hate when I miss by 1 minute. Anyways, I'm gonna go to bed officially, and yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. Love ya.